Hello guys, welcome to my channel again. This is your boy DEFI, and I would like to thank you guys who are commenting on my videos, who are liking my videos, and also subscribe to my channel. You guys are doing an incredible job. For those of you who have not subscribed and you're here, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss out on any video I gain from me. So guys, today I just want to look at DeFi staking platform. This is the number 10 since the auction lobby was opened. You see the number 10, and what we have here is that it has opened and we have only 19 hours to go for it to end, and already 1.995 million has been entered already into the lobby. So these are the ones they closed. The number 9 closed at 15.85 million, which was good. And we have had our peak here, which is 17 million. So it went back to 15.2. It rose up a bit, 15.8. So today we don't know where we might end. Either we might be in 15 million or 16 million or even way below that. So it doesn't matter. What matters is we shall all get the dividends. So in this video, I just want to show you guys my progress, how much dividends I've earned in just 10 days. I've had some stakes which ended here, 3. Actually, I've collected these 2 today. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to calculate all the dividends I've so far earned, even these ones from the ended stakes and these ones which are in the stakes which are still running. So if I'm to pull out my calculator here, let me start with these ones that have ended. I have a 94. I'm not going to put the points, just only these plus 5, 82 plus 1,500. This one plus 88,398. Plus 22,117 plus 11,971 plus 3,700 93. Let's open this one. So plus 2,294 plus 356 plus 31. So if we are correct, let us proofread it. 31, 51, 24, 37, 11,000. This one 88, 15582 and 94. So guys, so far accumulated dividends worth 131,136 Tron in just a space of 10 days. So if we are to change this one to USD, let us convert it. Let us use CoinGecko. Tron. CoinGecko. What's wrong with my internet? My internet is not open. Sorry guys, my internet had gone off. My problems, my file. So if I'm to, it is 131,000. Let me copy it and just paste it here. So it is so far 3,513 US dollars. So just know guys, some of this I don't have it yet. It's still in the stakes, but I've so far accumulated it and just waiting for the stakes to get over or to be done. Like this one, it is ending soon, because if we are on day number 10 today. It's ending on day number 13. So just 3 days and it will be done. This one ending in 4 days, this one ending in 5 days. So I'll be able to collect all this rent from my tenants. So guys, that's it. See you in another update about DeFi staking platform, most probably tomorrow.